by far the most important part of this, as far as making the launch pad work well, is having this part up high enough so that the nozzle fits right snug over that, cleanly over that. What ends up happening is this thing gets so much pressure that it pushes it down. So what I've done is I've used a piece of plastic right here, and it actually fits pretty well underneath, and I tape it up with duct tape the whole way around so that it's elevated. And it works really super well, almost no leakage. Didn't even take a lot of pressure actually this time, because this thing would get down, it'd widen this lip, and then you could barely get the nozzle on. So when it stays up like this, that lip stays so that it's like a stopper, and you can just kind of squeeze it on down. And when you do that, the nails go on very cleanly with very little pressure. And that's really what you want. It doesn't need to be it doesn't need to feel super tight. It just needs to go on cleanly like that. And that was the big problem for several years, is I kept on having to readjust, and it was almost zero readjustment on this. Once I did it, there wasn't a whole lot of pressure. And so just remember to keep that nozzle tight like that. I'll probably have to tape it every year.